In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Stripe. This extra layer of security is an essential step to protect your account from unauthorized access. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to stripe.com. This is the main website where you can manage your Stripe account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will direct you to a new page where you can log into your account. On the login page, you'll see fields to enter your email and password. Fill in your email address and your secure password. If you're using a public or shared computer, make sure not to check any box that says "Remember me." This will ensure your account details remain private. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be directed to the home page of your Stripe dashboard. Here you'll find various features and settings related to your account. To enable 2FA, you'll need to access the settings. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually located in the top right area of the dashboard. From the settings, select and click on Profile. This will lead you to a page where you can manage personal settings associated with your Stripe account. Look through the options until you find two-step authentication, which is Stripe's version of two-factor authentication. When you locate two-step authentication, click on Add Authentication Method. You'll see a variety of options for how you'd like to receive your authentication codes, such as through an authentication app or via SMS. Consider the method that suits you best. Using an app is generally more secure than SMS, as SIM cards can sometimes be compromised. Once you've selected your preferred authentication option, follow the prompts to set it up. If you choose an app, you might need to scan a QR code or enter a provided key. SMS will require you to enter your phone number to receive a confirmation code, which you'll then input to verify the setup. After completing these steps, your Stripe account will be significantly more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. You might find it a bit more effort to log in each time, but the added security is well worth it. Remember, security is crucial, especially when dealing with financial services. Be sure to keep your devices and applications up to date to ensure the highest level of protection. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel more secure with your Stripe account.